Okay, rename your project. I'm gonna rename it to be revision. We're going to start by a function to create the dots or the circles. So from functions, drag creating function. Well, change it to be draw underscore dot. And remember, we're not allowed to leave any space to the function name. So we're going to separate the two words using an underscore. Then from the turtle, we're going to select dot. Okay. And I don't need a specific size for the dots. So we're going to select Hamdi, Yassine, if you're having any question, type them in the chat. Okay, I don't need a specific size for my circle, so I'm gonna use a random value, and the random value are in math. Okay, drag a random number and add them here instead of the radius of the dot. Okay, حازم الراندوم نمبر ده بيعمل range minimum number و maximum number. Okay, every time the program will run, it will take a random value between the minimum and the maximum. Here, if we click run, and after the program is running, he will draw different circle using different values from 1 to 10. Okay, كل مرة بقى ممكن ياخد 5 6 7 8 أي رقم من 1 ل 10. Okay, احنا هنخليها from 1 to 20. Then we need to add colors for the dots or for the circles. So from turtle, we're gonna select the pen RGB. Pen RGB is mixing different numbers, different colors. The first one for the R for red, G for green, B for blue. Okay, اللي هم actually the basic colors. So having a combination between the three basic colors, we're gonna have different colors. Okay, again, we need to have different values or different degrees for the three colors. كل color من دول الديجري بتاعته بتستارت من 0 ل 225. Okay, so instead of 120 هنروح على math تاني ونختار random number, change 1 to 10, make it from 0 to 255. Okay, to get the different degrees of the red. Okay, we're gonna do the same for the green, 0 to 255, and the same for the blue, 0 to 255. Okay, now we need to call our function. Okay, here, make it. I drag a call function. Okay, this is a call function. This is a call function, and this is declaring a function. And instead of my function, we're gonna type draw dot. Okay, click run to see. Okay, I have only one circle. Okay, so I need to repeat the creation of the circles. What should I do? I'm gonna move to function control. The first one is a for loop or a repetition block. Drag the repetition block here. Inside the repetition block, place your function or the call of the function. Reset and run. Okay, we're having like 2. Why? I less than 4. My condition less than 4. So I can create circles less than 4. I need to fill my screen. Actually, filling the screen, يعني you can try, but it will be 3 cell. Okay? Reset. Right? Nothing happened. Or they are created on each other. أنا محتاجة أغير اللوكيشن بتاعهم. What should I do? Moving back to the function, turtle, select move to. Okay? Place it here. Move to where? Move to random places or random location all over the screen. Random locations meaning random numbers. أروح على map واختار random number. أعمل له placement هنا. وهنا. الفاليو الأولانية the value of x and the value of y. x اللي هي ال x axis و y اللي هي ال y axis. Okay? It will be from 0, the value of x, from 0 to كده from 0 to آخر حاجة في ال x almost هنقول 310. 310. For the y, move down. The maximum value for the y is 441. So for the y, 0 to 441. Okay? Run. Okay? Now we're having a lot of lines. What do we have a line? We didn't add pen up. Okay? Before starting, we need to add a pen up. So add a pen up and place it here. Back to code.org. What did we do? Is creating a function for creating dot, okay? For creating just one dot. دي function الأولانية, okay? And I added a pen up, so the arrow will move without drawing any lines. Then move to. I need to fill in the screen with the dots. So I need to create them everywhere. So I selected a random value for the x and for the y. I set a range from 0 to 310 as the minimum value for x is 0 and the maximum value for x as 310. Okay, here 319, this we can make it 310. As for the y, we added a random value 0 and the maximum as 441. Then we added a code to draw a dot and we set a random value representing the radius of the dot. Okay? If we added لو شلنا ال 4 دي كده خالص وعملنا calling للفانكشن دي without 4, okay, okay, if we call the function without the 4, لو انا رحت كده جبت call function هنا okay, instead of my function add run. هيرسم دوت واحدة بس. أنا محتاجة أعمل repeating للدوت دي وكل مرة هيجي يعمل repeating للدوت هياخد بوزيشن مختلف لأن أنا حاطة الإكس والواي براندوم فاليو ليهم مينيمم وماكسيمم. كل مرة هياخد different value for x, different value for y, okay, different color from the pen RGB, different size for the dot. Okay, اعمل ده ازاي؟ اروح على كنترول واختار 4 اوكي او the repetition loop وinside the repetition loop place the call of the function okay the condition and the for statement اللي هو I less than 4 is يعني dots you will create 4 will draw for I less than 4 will draw only 4 dots. If we need to fill the screen, we need at least 3,000 dots. So instead of 4, we're going to type 3,000. Okay? Reset and run. يفضل يعمل repeating للسيركلز لحد ما تملى كل السكرين لحد ما يرسم ال 3,000 dots. Okay? Now we need to erase or clear the screen. We're going to create another function. Okay? Main functions, drag a function, place it here. Name it delete underscore dots. Okay? Then inside it, we're going to add pen up. Pen up. Okay. We're going to repeat the same. Actually كده احنا هنعمل repeating لنفس الكود اللي هنا بس هنغير فيه شوية حاجات فبدل ما نعمله من الأول ممكن نعمل له copy وpaste. أنا عملت select from the keyboard Control C for copying, Control V for paste. ممكن نعمل له drag. أنا هرسم نفس ال 3000 dots بس هخلي الكولر بتاعهم white بس كده. يعني instead of the combination of colors أنا هخلي الكولر بتاع الدوتس دي كلها white فهيفضل يرسم نفس الدوتس بس هيخلي الكولر بتاعه فهتبقى السكرين clean. Set the value of each color to 255 اللي هو الماكسيمم بتاع كل كولر هيدينا الوايت. $255 and 255. Okay. We're having an error as we didn't call our function. From function, drag the call function, place it here. Okay. And they should be in order. يعني the first function اللي هتعمل drawing. اللي بعد منها هي اللي تعمل deleting. Okay. Change its name to be delete dots. Okay. Place the delete dots inside a for loop. Place the for loop here. Okay, and place the dots, the delete dots inside it. زي ما عملنا creating ل 3000 وغيرنا الكولر بتاعهم لازم نعمل creating برضه ل 3000 dots ونخلي الكولر بتاعهم white. Okay, 3 reset and run. Okay. The first function will be fired. Then, after finishing the 3,000 dots, we're going to create another 3,000 dots in white, and we're done.